under 1 year. God will promote you. If you did this life, you never know your star. It means that you never strong in Christian way. Because if you did Christian lane, God will surround you with a wisdom. And I know oh baby and your private wisdom. They are all wisdom via but when you are in the road of Christian, God will always give you a wisdom. How to challenge the devil. How to overcome your challenge. How your business wants to move forward. How you not go bother in anything. So everybody have your style. Sister, try and take your style. Not imitate person. Enu mi no hikeke o wi keke wa ibe ya akin. Enu mi no we live video o we live video wa ibe ya o. Enu mi no we ebi wa ti eyi no mu ni ko ne ma o we wi ibe ya o no. Ka bo mu pa mu we rege nu ga re u pa we. Nu ga re lewe. Enu mi no gbugbo o gbugbo wa ibe ya pe. So that dogen me ukpago boy ka bo relax wa mi ukpawe won relax amo eyerun sometimes am ye bi mina salobado odo review e ma wewe get kinoke kenu ado do mana meti me direct. God will review unto you. Say see the kind business where you go do we go favor you. Ever ya need do ekimoto o mi ewo a euro to euro. There was a time somebody tell me say euro you get many friends. If you do euro to euro, you go make money. I look at the person. I say I can't do euro to euro. Even if a million people they come my store, I can't do euro to euro because here where you will feel the spirit. You feel the spirit we know. Imalake bekina. Cause everything me like, we like. But people was telling me, euro to euro, just to 1 million. So tell the person that I'm going to 10 euro. Eh, my 100 euro with Paris. Or when me are 5 euro, you 5 euro. Or my 100 or 10 euro, me are 5 euro, 5 euro. Or my 300 euro, me are 15 euro, 15 euro. In our lifestyle, a lifestyle, restaurant business. On a mini like. So, the second topic, there are many men where your ex, you still communicate with your ex-girlfriend and you don't even care. Even if your wife wait they ask no, you don't even care. You are playing with your life, oh brother. If now you get this message, you they play with your life. It's very dangerous for a man. Woman knows say you and woman day house. She don't even care. You still they play love with her. So you want to destroy your life. Not even your home. And number two, can't you know say your wife, she go come feel sad. If you cannot give the next person happiness, God will never give you happiness. Woman wait there with you for house. You know they give her food money. You know they near her for bed. But you they go meet your ex-girlfriend for outside. You go to enjoy yourself. Anyway, sister, let me tell you, if it be like that, I don't wear. You know what does it? The music we but any nata muwa any okwo no ma mudia asokwo wari ojo agogodo. O biaga bere we riere go ukin. Uma develop obejo pe ya dislike koma. When the men say uma when me je no pe aseti do dame o. O wa do dame we gbe wa di owa me mana. Iwa ke kulawa. This is the reason why ni nata muwa okeke nu wa ya we gbobo agboni marijena. Okpi ala koma no ya. Okpi ala koma no zeje. And okpi ala ko okwo na kanto rema dry. Adobo mo ma we no e. O le yen wo ko ni eri e work me no. Find something they do. Please, I'm on YouTube. Time never reach to call me. I'm on YouTube. Watch me on Salt and Water Ministry. Okay? I did YouTube. I know they talk. So watch me on YouTube. No, nigga atadeba. Because biana rewe women guagmoje. Please watch me on Salt and Water Ministry. I call this phone. Already ya make a chakara or agagewe's girlfriend or go bam me sewe. Eva tatana different way no. Please ma, I'm on YouTube. I'm on YouTube. I cannot talk with you now. I'm doing my program on YouTube on Salt and Water Ministry. I'm on YouTube, Salt and Water Ministry. I cannot talk right now. I'm on YouTube. I cannot talk right now. I'm on YouTube. Okay? I'm on YouTube. I can't talk to you now. Please call the phone. No, no, they disturb now. Why not they do like this? Even if you are a new member, I'd always talk and say, see the time where person they reach me. So whether they talk, they go. Please, my sister, cut your phone. May not they bring my spirit down. God bless you all. So whether they try to talk now, be say, when man see and say, you are authentic mama, you know go chakara for you. Chakara no. Every day yata. Eke no biana ya amu girlfriend oge. Oga we to oga. Because agbona ni marriage ego or control the world. Ego scatter many marriage. Oh wa we umago yen dezik. Oh wa no roe wa ya. There are many people no regret a marriage. Or prefer AS or get say okonorigu ewa. Eri we jeni maniko. Ikwe soro no re marriage le tenena. Oh ye TKS girlfriend AS boyfriend oge 50-50. Then Americo. Many of them. Oh, I wish I know. A Saturday ya wa biena. Ave meet me no weta we oh date one eh. Ige si jori aye mabi jori ogba wa sun agbon. Ah. Oh you go e guess AS ogene odo agugwe no ro kwa sino suno. No ko ga ibe ga o eme esogene o le do ago pe no ro kwa sono sono. May God not let that evil spirit come your home. Because a spirit in ga ilawa pone o do aje no pe ado ya misbehave. Ado wo pari seti bi en egbo pe averi o. Ado wo no we duwe ugu seti be omo dokpa. Ugu seti omo dokpa ma ta magwe no ma ta sisa uro because we are doing wawa egbaro na. Emi so ro no be yama. Emi so we ro ni Friday be yama. Ni Friday be yama. Emi so we ro. Every ne Friday yama en wawa ya ro ma. Like ni mawa egbaro na emi so ro no. Ni me kasi aye emi gbe karatani. Betiri no manoro nu ya cover enema. Eri agboye ya live a relationship. Wa agwale goods. A god in ama miss. Who wa wasted time for nothing. Who can joke ban over 50 years. No husband, no wife. A god in a miss or bakwa boy. Ye no manoro. Take the one way good, brother. Take and cover the one way no good. Forget you get woman for house. You go to fuck your ass. Na bad luck. And when you not concentrate with the woman where they house, your life will come the tonton like this. Your business, your destiny, you don't go know the straight road where you want pass. Whether na Cynthia Road or na Isobamuwa Road, you don't know where you go pass. You not go know where you go pass. So it's better you choose one woman. If your ex-girlfriend did good for you, why you leave her? You for not leave her. I see some boy, when they leave a woman, 5 years, they know they date any woman, they go relax. Maybe the girl go come back. You for not carry the new one now, brother. You for not carry her. You want to damage your life. The woman will dey with you for us. If she not dey happy, you are in bondage. Forget say outside one they make you dey happy. The important one where they sweep, where you they eat, where you they sleep. You know they give her happiness. God will never bless you. Your mates go day level 6, you go day level 1. I know what I'm saying. Please, brother, pick this advice. I love you so much. Now, person God they send me can deliver in children. I know I may not go to school like you. I may not speak like the way you speak. But the small one where God give me, I know you will understand it. Pick this advice. You will see how God will protect you. You will see how God will function your marriage. Please, I'm on Salt and Water Ministry. I cannot talk to anybody right now. Call me, watch me on Salt and Water Ministry. I'm speaking. Remember, you know, saying when I tell me every day, don't call me by this time, please. Cut your phone. Watch me online. So that one come pass. Many people they complain, say, their asthma because they get sickness. May I call the phone? Because they get sickness. Their asthma not they sleep with them. Marriage not for better for worse. Anybody wey know say wife get sickness. Or can when I have HIV, Louis condom. HIV no ga vanish. We evac by with prayer. Our when I have HIV, we ga Louis rubber. And because say we other for when HIV, who will love yeke? No. Our way if you say can where I may not be a boy Virginia area time. If you say can I may not boy so we are. No way at all one you always you will allow. Or one may not go with Jim or baby. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Or one may not go with Jimmy or go with Joy. I'm a boss soon with you. So, I may not go can way. Okay, can over boy. Emi amegaro, Ivana na gele on be no love ma. Emi amegaro, Ivana na gele on no love ma. But if I die because of you, I don't care. Because I love you. While we condom. Well, doctor don't see her. I cannot near him again. No, you can use condom, please. A lot of people complain to me, say, because say their enemy get HIV. Their husband don't want to sleep with them again. There is one boy that called me today from Paris. He said because he get HIV, his wife you don't want to give her body. No, sister, you can choose condom. You can look condom, who make sure who boy yo, nigga making a boss. Or you can choose 2 condom. Gawa waiver. That 2 condom, who can moye here you way, no making a soft. Who moye here you way one with that 2 condom no low. Me una dey use condom. Ah yes, wagi kiss. Osalo boy we kwenu we mu wenene no ro. Oga o wa wo me ofo. Wa we prayer point me. Wa va me 14 days. What wa declare do we no we me. U de ba wa we. Wa mi o emi ana ifo. A treat message so we run now we take. Naya contacts or one ye daughter, but here we osaloboa or say a treatment in it. One a daughter at Tamawe, a great treatment in Oki. Ugarie who setting contacts any infection. Only now with Berawa. Why wife go get her husband? He no go get now. Wow, what is that one mean? Wa no wa agbene mi jo wa no mota ni abere. I make una they ask me question. I still get small short time. Wa no talk your mind, sister, wherever you are, because I'm not tell me la dia ore. Emi na oro ma gbo mana yi e ku ore jo ma kan your mind. Wa no ta wa agbene no la dia. I still have about 30 no. Yeah, 35 minutes or 30 minutes. 1 hour, 1 hour, all home. So what man on the array? What met you, brother Ellen? What met you? One here, what my easy. But when there is love or easy, even now no love for man. If I saw a big man around, why you left for? Mommy, even if her husband get the woman, he no go get. Awu bere na wu have mu, awu hi amene ne miame. O salo ba ko no wa mu. Mommy, I dey ask why wife go get husband. You no get how come the wife take get him. I'm not okay. Okay now. So God bless you. Obi okonoro wodzo. Okonoro wodzo na do ame miame. I manage. Ada ogu weme. I manage the way I am in miame. On a miama sono. Iya do ijeto. E umana age temata. Uga age udo confess. Wa confess. E miame ni o wa disappear. But ugwe na ya age uma confess. E miame fo wa we prayer point me. You must confess. Talk and say, Gemini yawu ni na mwe miame. Umana we osalobo ailiwe. Because osunu that time okbane. O wodoje. But I wait till we again mwe miame. Won wa akpo to ba sokpa. Oba no riri wa akwo mi ne nige e doctor we to mwe miame. O wa asunu kakabo. O wa asunu. So there will not be an oro we mo kwo wa. O kan we me. Una gele he we to ya ge who confess. Wa confess e miame disappear. Umana confess one. So on na we gbera. A boy man ibun many of them wa gwa friend okwo. Wa o maneri e wanera nokwo. Wa o we o manere me areru nu. You not get respect for math. Now you know they give woman 1 naira. Now you know still get respect how to talk to woman. You can never get a woman. Especially a quality woman. You can't get it. Unless you know why you get. Mommy, you're the woman do go road. She do sleep around. Make she confess. No, sometimes a summer sleep around. A summer sleep around. Because imune suoi wa awadwa me me kwebie rebaso. E dede soro no majo no me no me HIV. E dede no 70 years. Make I go to the topic when I dey talk. Nira atate bas eteme. Now you brother, now make many of una. Many boys dey since you come Europe, you don't date. You never even reach 10 years when you come Europe, but you don't date 5 girls. No one stay your hand. You know why? Why they not they stay your hand? Sometimes una don't know how to talk. See, what the girls need nowadays, especially quality girls. They don't need the hello. How you dey? You know the house. I been work on your place, so what did they worry you? I don't call you more than 10 times. You know they pick. You demand. I mean that they worry you. I mean don't carry another guy. I mean I mean you they play. You they crazy. If I done Nigeria, you will fit do this kind of thing to me, and I'll kill you. The mount. Oh, they call you, you know they pick my call. Oh, Jesus Christ. No woman won't carry this kind of boy nowadays. You know what you guys need now? Brother, pick this advice. If you know you they talk to a woman like this, You can never get a responsible man. Then number 2, anytime where problem dey, na so that girl they beg. Na so she they beg you. I beg now, I'm sorry. And now you know they give her 1 naira. And now she still they beg you every time. The relationship no they go anywhere. The day we go jam another man, he give that man telephone number. Because when you never put money for their head, now they get no When you never put money for their head, when you go see the way that boy go take to he go tell you, say, don't call my line again. I'm finished with you. If you not get what you they give a woman, they respect her. Hello, dear, or Oni, how are you? Have you eaten? I don't call you more than 3 times, so I know say you know there where your phone day. Where you day now? I they miss you. Oh, I love you. You don't eat. Oh my God. Oh, thank God. As I just hear your voice, my body just cool. As I hear your voice, so my body just cool. Ah. Oh, okay now. Oh, only I be they call you since you not pick my call. Oh, I'm sorry. Now, just that I just did busy. I don't even know the time we phone they ring. I'm very sorry, okay? Sorry. Next time, I won't do it again. I love you. You know? Okay. Let me see. You see a woman go stay with you like this. Ogwa me go abia ame menunu. Umana ame menunu. Oja agbigo. Better husband, not be by rich. Not be by rich. Better husband, not be by getting big house or getting big compound. No. Better husband now man wey they take good care of a woman. Wey they get time for a woman, and that one be better man. Not be money. Some people still say, Opianomego, Opianoma. Opianomego, Opianoma. A master on you, Opianomego. For 6 months now, maybe I'll wipe out. A Roma, why, Omana so bonnet lao. Every son, or why. That's how we a gualigo. Well, Pianomego is better husband. My people. No go the farmer we get money, you go suffer. Not be man we get money. Now person we get good heart. We know how to. We get feeling of human being. This boy just get car. Now the boy I want no be by car. Now man take the good to one me motor, but umi walk. Not be by that one. No. Now make many of our people today in an ariote baby. So only now we beraba. And many of our sisters they talk say, if you they say ma, if you Ghana or Mase, if you Cameroon or Mase, if you Kokopiro Mase, if do, even if you do woman, go and see what if you go with you do it. If you do your work money. Ebi no me o me kia seva ya ge vini viego u ni a wi viedo I viego ti a rie ji viedo a o e kwe gin ata do ma ni a gita ma agbon ga gian wo se nu na ya o mo viego mi bu na bi o o ri viedo nu da wo pa ma ki go meta la te ni we viego me u me see and not give you do not come. Even a cocobiri with yet to wake boy. Let's say the truth. Many of our sisters are not married cocobiri. Even men and not be a cocobiri collector. Well, we are moving Nigeria. We had them tiny good. Many of them here met tiny good. A million have a year, a million have a navigate no quite low. Have it no 120 years. Well, me have a party. He has been okay asking. Many of them. Many of them. He has been okay asking. But I love very much. Because all if you do, or when one of you go all la webu. il vient de que il voit rien, il vient si le point zidant et y a rien. Et quand il y a dit with il vient oui ma. Where the domi vient oui ma ni omi vient on smart here the time. They always door. Il y a door. Il y a on vient on elle y a content. Oh yeah na me we are agmove because il vient de faire ogbe. By time where if you do ma, if you do waro no wama, correct. Ni mama ni ro, I see and wana feel like kongbe ni maniro. And ni maniro bunse ni mama ni ro. It's good to say the truth. Ni maniro bunse ni mama. Ole se we ni maniro ni aladio e. Ni mama ni ro, all le supermarket je supermarket gba beje. Lecture ni gba ne beje. Ni maniro once in a week yen ya ladian o gbe so 1 month yen ladian o gbe aye kokobiri ya gwa ya gipe edu so gwa ni o me koko me ka te me te beri o esa de kokobiri we ge no pe so ami mi ni mai ina wi je Ghana bia ya wi so I know everything concerning kokobiri esilo point 0.1 Oriya, we no fear wana we kokobiri ma. E beginning ya pe go wanoma. Iya tama we dori go gwa rebe ni we do si o ma go gwa el. Iya tama we. Iya ari go giju e bugwa. Iya bi ari go kere be nu we gwa gun gwa fo. Be we ibie ni ya na igo na pe ne mo. Enwenwanya ya collect e. O ga e no lu ebo no ro no. O ize lu ebo no udu a enwuye. Udu a enwuye. The kokobiri amaso onu gba wa eje wi yante watemata we a ti je we kokobiri nu agbe 1 month because wa mami bi edo ni ma enu wa agata we osaloboa ima eri bi edo no maro dete momi jode de ladian even me I me be tebe tawo bona agbe bi edo mi ya agbe me mi because me na bi adekun ya ni mama me na be adekun be chentró me na be adekun be mani ori ani ma oro ma be me na be ti be atago saloboa obona agbe me so program na me ke don ewe i bi edo ni mara gbon i bi edo ni maro yaro so I blame wa no lele kokobiri because we are gelege ni bi edo ga awo ma ba so pa wa le livia do wa me family we e bia do ya we so kai we are wa de kunya ko siya awa na me wo ya akin alele ugwa me egbe we ijo igati no ba we gijo ijo ano we wa nera ugwu me but ije no kpia no we go ri egie oni no igwa asu no wa so pa o si eni ku imara we ekokobiri ma so wa only the problem in oro. And number 2, many of una a topic me what a topic we will continue. Ya finish up me love even lare. Okay? Now so if you follow me, that's how they do my topic. Another just there for one topic or no. If I come out a day, my topic they read 5 or 6. Ya finish tona kere lave ya tona kere lave ya gun awa teme wa na ke de no yare ni bo we me wono ate film o wa ate film o popopopa amana mi se yo rin ria unwo me na ma mi se o be rin ria unwo me na je me go pale oluga ni na je me go no bunle so gumeta mu wa wa ni yo me kokobiri wete man wa na o me kokobiri I make act de o it's good to say the truth. I gonna here when mebelele ebe obi ejo but amere obi ewoma. Obi go mebelele e mogwana. So maka ken wa blame me. Amere obi ewoma. If not that where am ya ni mama ni von e wala wa do akweku ma do aji yo we. Wa ga egu wa ati aru ji ni kuima. Cause wa to sokwo okonu gwe wa toast we no do dem inwe no gwa le 50 euro inwe Ogwoma na. Egene de me amivia do me te warule. O te to le warule bi we pa ide ya de mi rokpa. Kosi magwa le problem. Koso wie owe una egbenu kere. Won awo pia no we mugajisi. Koso ga mi egbe wa agbon iwe regbe ima we. Ege no aya ege umi egbe we wo di ne be ni at is too late. O si e no ga me na alekia. Egene de ikwo o te tasikpia beta sokpa ikwo iga tasikpia o iga tasikwo come buy me drink find me 20 euro find me 10 euro where you are one at the street make it do pa si bi 10 o wa no mego mama gbale 10 euro me mama gbale 20 euro me mama do de kebab me mama do de madonna me mama do de chicken wings me betege me na nwa de okwu o te no bigo Ghana ya oba adere ikwe bi do ya bad be imetamu wana wakakiyon na ne iya asu se ni ya we ya love gi obi Ghana so aje we ne no we are we boni aje we do mana movie we wa ge Ghana mamia o we age Ghana mamia de ke no age mame be Ghana Are new adenta one church ya no na tie ijori gega je are problem iya we problem iro we ata we etokpa ni yakin iya ma o be gemi ya ma ne foneba no mi go na no me kote na jogwa ni ejowa na no ewo wo kan we wo owo bi Nigeria yen ri yen ke pa mo bi e we nene o iro do so misbehave thousands. Eso biele ye Ghana wa mai oro wa otwen no kwogati e yowo bijin enu. Koso we Ghana ma we twan me ni ata. Unu ekokobiri deti magele fie o. Unu ekokobiri bi ku o mare pia watemato salobo. Veni me ya envie Ghana be Paris. Me ma bego vie Ghana no mare o vie Nigeria. Oviedo do mare Oviedo ivie Paris ware lania tamame uwe go vie Ghana no we no mare Oviedo ero be me am 50 Oviedo no mare ivie Ghana. Okay, now what's here wa with me my majes it me my so gelema koso wa o ikpe so wa o mi ya iya oni ada we ki oto no gbewi iya oni ya eski we no ka sha ni e do wa be sie mi aboye me boye mata. Veni kbedo so ya matrito ko ema. Veni kbedo so ya luiku ema. Veni kbedo so ya miku igo ema. Veni kbedo so ya ha e ogia ema. Ema so wa o sie problem na. Weta ugo vie Ghana gunu no mo viedo. Ovie Cameroon gunu no mo viedo I oge Paris meta vie Paris ware la ni wata ugu mi ovie Cameroon no maro viedo jo bogbewe taladia ero vere Paris gbolo se odo o pa keka yi mi ovie Ghana no ga friend de bokpa e de no gbere gberi e so me na be friend we wa ime o ona yo bomb we na why o we na so money they ask me are the craze Ade boy ni vie do gulele but ovie Ghana na le ona eweti bata oma no sike me gare ba vetero maiva ododo le phone you shop bi me na be friend we wo e boy ni mi wa mi le gadi no awe na so money they ask me o I no go follow am o I no come Europe come carry money give ma ade boy na thank you darling, God bless you. Oh no. So one thing I want to say. Anahina.
3.
Many of our women that is the problem. Many of our women Many of our women ma feel. Iya mother de feel at all. Many of them. Iya ware we o here frustrate. Iya we o vie gon here titiam. Awari o jawo pa. Hello.
3.
Hello. O mete saga na yatie. Ise.
Call you. Mama no call you.
Wa were gbetie ya gwa me ya na ikwe na fie topic yomonu. La wowo. Oye be na me wa mu me pare e wo we. Were gbetie. Ilaki na fie to iwa gun wa do fie topic yomonu. E ma ye ya to.
Oh, sorry.
Nje baba na wa lost me no kwa. So nugwala wowo iri edo no eje sade kokobiri osebe yana se wala ni pin ma meke na mi kuari omo pa gbe me ya mata omo ke gbe na ye wo lo ka gbe na yo wa ene wala wowo no erin yen gwa lojo wa die program wa ga mi ojo wa omo bi edo be ni bi kokobiri le hon mi bi awiyan be ni bi kokobiri le hon mi bi awiyan wa bi ahon mi bi awuwa. But the dad don't get me way. Enough is enough. Wa me we do no ma. Mwe no ma anyway loka. No I give you way. No ya mo pia no before. Oh. We na ya we na seria mo pia. Iya muna ye gana watamata na waniku. Unuwa ke bi arugwe bu bi Ghana wani ya mi bi Ghana mi bi Cameroon we mi bi Cameroon ni omo bi edoa oro wasa yo monu we mi bi Ghana ni omo bi edoa iye we bi edo bi etio because if you don't know eso no a oria ni maniro iya jo do yari wala ogwa no me omo do wa run tebe ya omo bi gan no aya run tebe omo bi edo na me be wa gba sun agbon o salun no sa Ome no sanoro. Ugalele no ma osa any of deal with Toma. Any of Momau. Back be akba or Momau of Yedo. Any of Yedo no ma osa. They are very dangerous. Iya mana lele ya was say. Iya mana yo wawoku. Iya mana yo wawodo. Iya mana yazi jodo. Any human being forget about Yedo. Any human being never fear of God. You have to be very, very careful. No me fear of God, to era. No me fear of God, mo give you. No me fear of God, me fear of God. Ukevle lokbia, mo ejo sabo, kakabo we, erun dago mo wa, erun dawe etin yare webo. Ema ya netin yare webo the heck. It's by the grace of God who have built the mutation or do more way. A table where we know it's just a name. Many people on here, but we was a Canamaria Jivoton, Dawson. Was so one area would see a Amek Beria Guineva. A town where I was very well, Nika Cano, and maybe of Panoyenoma. Tia Ban one me a woman go ya pay over. Do you a picket colliway? And wanibu awe okbianore camp ga toast wa lelian was here no wana mo pianore camp was here ikbianire camp here you ma be ube nene mi na kana here you ma be here nire camp abi aniti wanire camp wa maniti ke camp ki gwe de no ma se Ake ife de boile de nanari gwe ke kampi ke do de no ma se ke kampi ko weru gwe nwe ke pa de do o e one room nwe ke pa ke ni ju rent o ke ne ramuni de no ma se say the truth. Okay, no money or see ego ego or see nwa mana like ya but ye kampi ro no mego na Wanire kampi wa mego. Go yale look bia. Mabe no wa wedi ya mego. Go yale look bia. Heart yale look bia. Uga love opia. Egani mana one day. Opia ga me fomu yo to fomu etun ya love e. Oh me trose pa. Oh we conduct me say so we me friend don't live with barrow there. Me friend don't live with barrow ne. Uga e friend don't live with barrow ne me just. Uga e friend don't live with barrow. Age kwe mo we o mega metita menedi o wodi wa ge na ka friend don't live with barrow. O live with barrow no ga hu na be kiosa. O e pe ku we ami o ye no ge wonta. We ga e ka friend don't live with barrow ne me just. Age kwe mo we sister. Who are here? Megwe. I will live with Baron and me. Okay, that will not make just tonight. Mrs. Siva, okay. Okay, Beggar will boom your friend don't live with Baron. Call it with Baron or me with Baron a kicking or the camp with the normal say. E old don on Latin, I will live with Baron, eh? I said, Kai. He may friend don't live with Baron there, we batai. Even one he can make an I am here quick. He may friend don't live with Baron there. He my friend there, he was baptized because he even a mugwa japa the Bible Jordan we. He my friend don't live with Barrow. He went he drove my Lancia. Because me not having another beggar Fatima. Beggar now. What okay? He my friend don't live with Barrow there. He my friend don't live bus driver there. He my friend the arm robber there. He my friend the courtesy there. E o me ya eve Curtis. Ime munyante. Ime dole. Musician. Ime eve friend the musician there. Me no see we mana wan dey we a musician. Iya le lo work pa. O fe no musician na amu me. Then a bus driver ya iri ha. Number we gbege jo no bus driver kin. Are gonorrhea ni wa exist we ge ni bus driver wa guy. A bus driver is so me guess no say 20 unless we bus driver na re to we yenya. Any bus driver no re to we yenya. Or why you singlet or the to we yenya so do I. O da we motor wa tota me wa tota yo da we motor. Awa komu kodojo. Oh e so chan. Uno agmonta yo ta ye kwa awegeku. Uno agbota yo de domio me later we no problem. Ya ti tore na ogo e ha mi o my go e ma bugwa o. Ada dobe we imuti ayo pupo yen idogbere okwo gba bi aro da we moto yen iva agbo keke we be gege acha we driver ano wa ego friend the bus driver na gbe jes wa agbe no la ja wa gekwe mu wa den yan ni be leyin re ki me be friend yan today yan ni yo boya leyin re ki me be friend yan ni lo yo bo yan ni leyin re ki yan ni gbe saga re ki yani le ye keke wa gbe no yani le gage we yani gage we ga we friend yani wa igbe no wa gbe no yo mommy I date a bus driver okay wa gbe no jo yani jo boya leyin re ki yani yo boya leyin then wa we friend if you outside ga hin arubara me be friend if you outside no ga hin arubara ne uga egu be friend if you outside ni ga hin etini asani o sare don ya we kian we gbonjo we u be deti ageku emu wa ekwe be mo ma bo me ke tabu me kale liyan ne not today yo wa ageku emu wa uga egu u be friend de boy no ya happy je be store no da be there tomato si o ga so for school o le ke ni jade be ki o ya be there tomato si here we say u ga e be friend ya na be tai u ga e be friend e boy no popa le lo le restaurant si no gba lo le restaurant si du me ma aje ko e mo ma u ga e be friend abi ya ni ya bedi ugbo Avia dia mo e pa wan re ni pa wan no ware ni we ta wu be friend yan wa be kwa mo wa bi ba boy u ga be wu be friend ibi ojo ni wuna be zikpe ibi ojo ni wuna be zikpe yan ni sanoju we mi na ni u be ta iye ku wa no buru we No, if you're Johnny, I have never dated any of them because I don't like them. Yeah, very talented. Ni bujere, ni bumeite jere. Ya we momi jode jame ya jere o. Boy na no ga wize kia be kiosa. He can't friend the ege kwe muwe. Yani kwa yo bole yen ni again ni ame ya ibu. Aya ni lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ kó sa lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ kí onubi ni uga friend ya o iya mana kaka boku ẹ̀yin o la wa kara iya ni lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ ki o egbe ti bata ikade ti yan ni iya mana kaka boku ẹ̀yin la wa kara ẹ̀yin ri la wa kara be dopa wa mo ti na gbe ijo wa egbe ala wa me wu o egbe ala me wu o ina so lo ba igwale go igwale mi ogo because ya lẹ́yìn wo bo ọlọmọ go ọjọ́ me ya lele o ẹ̀yin na so ba Ire no baba me gie. Ire no baba me gie. Ijo oge Miami. Ire no Okay. Oga e wo be friend yan pi moto. Oni me malele ni. Yan pi moto. O be gbon so. Okay. Yan lẹ́yìn o. Because you are more gigi all the more now opportunity one so that I see go egbe me na we jimi egbe balo me o ma lo gwale mi o ko e mi no sina na enyo wa wore be gbi wen ye gwale perfume e gani no me me na te perfume very ho apa we na no ya ga perfume wo o de ba ko ge perfume o de na ya car wash Why we friend the car watching me malele car wash. Ibata ya no leye malele ya no leye one day. Igwe di wa be ju wa ya gie. Wa we ya we kan we e mo mi jo we ibata meke pa yen to ni ye titun no pia ni lele. Eri ogunu. Ibata Ijo na stop it today. Even no ya wa be gie. No ga na be gie na ema. Mo we program na ya gie. So wa kele wa ta ti me friend do le no leyin. Iba ata o. Be o ma ni ye ri gele friend ya ni ya bodin. O me di o mo pa no ya bodin o do mu eru re. Ebi no se ni na lele di o wa ni we. O wa mwe pa won are pa won we wa amie de no do mu Bati bi otutu ni na eni no eri ye ho eno do ta ibi otutu ni ya mie ni bi abodin o salobua owa amu egun meru doni na lele ko si like bi otutu ni wa call me wa do ta ma me epaka Ekpaka wa mu ekpaka gume e ma na igwa mu ekpaka re keke oko ni mi ave ti oko na ni amebudini ne na be ni o be vi ogumeru doni na lele ko so igele wa vi olodo mu pa won aba me sister wa egu lele no be tage ko mu we ono na wa mi edi wa no epeku o eri akun ekpaka o ya mu me na ra 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 no ya do gbe me ba me ni tai agbe me ba me ni tai oh my family me yeah I character ni jore me we jore like a joke amana joke eri e paka wi ma o ware ne ime ko ya so bo be ku o ma mo ku owi gbono o eri apo ime oga egeni ibe ede ya ne be bo egeni ide gan ose iwe oga you never call me back. You never call me back. Oh well, you did there. I don't call me back. Go carry your paka. Oh, come your boss see me la go. Oh, good work when any paka. It is where okay, my meal. Saloba no give my yaga go. What get where now? You know what it's I want to laugh. Waga wazanzan wa na iyo ni gie nawe gbe me na ne ya dele kwata imi owe iru dik paka ya lele di o magete imami paka de no rikpaka ikpaka no ye no go vie hi amafie o ana rikpaka bene ege na se ofe ti eri son ni me ofe iyeri son ni mama rikpaka ko ko ni ke ya meriri ro pe ibata wa ya we ijode gwe ara rikpaka ibata o no se yi go yan rikpaka na no ma se yi go ese ti rikpaka gwa na ti rikpaka wa ni bo ma won na ana be igwebe ma na be stage igwebe ma abi I date a house man change dollar okay yeah we change dollar imami ya de imami ya ole egetma opare dekun iwe osani we getma wa yana yani total yo nuru yi we dekun ya ni ne iwe dekun ya wa egwele lo ya sana we getma be ta egekwe mu we meke togo me ti sagbon yo nugo me ye ni we this way ni we la jan be program bi ba gbon yo we date o ya sana we getma o ga me egwu be friend double. Okay, you don't know akpaka. Okay, you are not say you go on akpaka. O ga egwu be friend double ne obo we tagu friend de ne egekwe mu we wa egwu be friend the pastor or a prophet we gbon your friend de ne wa ya agbe no la dia. Oh, mommy, I date a village girl. Que village girl correct de no rien say. Alugaro, Watemata. Doma no a friend the village girl. Una who friend the village girl, una we do friend ogetan. Da ogetan ni o me like gwete. Una ebu ka wene do call it brother. No time ma de no rien say. A village girl. A village girl, take a town girl. Then a sister with a daughter, a village boy. Keke a town boy, they not really say. They not really say, what do call it now? I so boy you gay. What do call it now? So boy you gay. Okay. Oh yeah, what call? No, I want not here friend a village boy. A village boy, keke village girl, they not really say. Why get we move out? Hello? Hello? If I don't know your speaker. You do. They not really say, they not cool say. If I day.
3, 5, 3.
If I would have been calling him on a speaker. Hello, God bless you.
You don't remember us. Mommy,
Oh yeah!
You see what you go to remember us? Like I tell you, I friend Robert Tapa.
Okay, you friend Robert Tapa.
People when they touch rubber, they follow, they go, they as you are part of them will come, they will go talk rubber Tapa. I go, they say, rice me jojo, lala yo, the rubber Tapa, they say. I said, they give money well, one by night, that time when one by night they rate. You know, they will buy for you, they buy their own, they will buy for you. Rubber Tapa, you see, so we're part of it.
God bless you. Oh,
village boy, you see.
Tenata, ke village boy correct they not really say Tenata.
Oh, na village one for me, if na like one laugh, na village one like. You know, so that they see town at the butter. Me, village at the butter, now they call myself that time. Village at the butter.
Okay. God bless you.
Na village one, I like that.
Okay.
Bye bye, oh, more like the laugh.
Bye
Bye, mommy, I love you.
I love you too.
Bye. Jesus.
Speak out to him, Mwejo. Magi we connect. Oma connect. La wa fian with a big call. Hello? Hello, site where you connect you. Olóògbé o. Olóògbé ege na wa ya gie na kina ho na ege na ya to me no to. Do ma dem we no ya gun wa ko with a big call. Won ma wa gie na ege na de ya te me no to. Hello.
Hello, come, mommy.
Hello, site where go gie wa je na o.
No. Come, mommy.
Eh.
Ite oni nugume lero ni la sanji na yen na ya
Were gbe ko ah wa gbe spirit ne ege na ya gie makina ah Jesus na kwe koli de tin ege pike koli ni ka wa feel e ne ba na ege na wa gbe spirit ne na o se nu gba no bu na ro we ah ni go we pray wo matie wo wi esin o to gbe spirit ege no ma wa ya gie bo se wa ni bu na me ma di we yan na igba kata ma we bana we no gie wata because a verse where low ka wa bring him down hello side we
Awa nihina no pege pese momita.
no wa wo me go gie wa
Wa ta be preaching wa se akọ.
o side what we doing
Process.
oh e direct me we
3.
hello God bless you we want to laugh me e verse here me ka wa ya ebe na obi okana na e de na tana yere ba oh were gbe dale won were gbe dale ma you last speaker again na ya gie wa uri oge no matter in uri ya pass through feel wa me no pass through no vanish we mana gie we na daga no ya gie hello God bless you hello e pardon mo
Wa to pe o ba to
say
pe.
ke ugwe papa
We
pa direct me la hello God bless you
God bless. God, I love you.
I love you ma mama lo we wo
Okay. Sorry. I love you. Sorry. Why you're happy? Go. Enjoy the one you no more. You need more here. Sorry. Iye la wo la ise sa me yi la no bless me no meru yo me la oje.
Temi no no sa unu
Iye la wo la ho o gbe wa ba lo me a o.
Uga jamena ku eje u were gbe mi oko ba lo we gbe ti Jesu Kristi no me ma fa no jame ku ene gbe ran aga ka we ba o site we more blessing
Amen.
ma bere bana we ore ge ni bana he escape the second call again the same thing so I have to do it o sabaga ti o ma you cannot run hello e pardon mo baba e ko hello e pardon mo
Okay. So no ge village ya re se. Ai me sera village ko so re village o me ka boy su se o me ka boy ye ko pa. E ba ri ba ka boy lose. Ko se village ye me fia we ya ti ma pa ri yo ri e ko ra pa ro.
Okay, village girl yes.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh se do he village na re.
Yo, wa bege mi no kai na. Owakara oge village girl only ri so oge tan. Cause oge tan oge village no ye ro. O me fi e panora America guana o.
Yes.
O ma we ni iku o ma ko. Ha?
Iwe ga bera are village, ibe na be radio. Be gi setan e na rote the difference. No ya ro we ige oge village tan, oge village o ma so kita. Oge tan ni o ka bo ra ni. Oge village o wa yi tai. Ora so ya ke yo.
Oge village girl wa yi tai.
Ba ro re ka bo ni.
Oge tan ma yi tai.
O ma yi tai.
Ba ma ka wetana. Elata weta woge village ma oge village o 30 so recta. Agi pe we boya ari o village.
We ya. Ya yi me the difference no ro ya. You be tired.
After.
Ito le vero wale no ale. O wale be kwa ya ya be.
O mana e pa jo be kwa.
Wo ya gele. Okay.
Hello, God bless you. Hello, Santiwe.
Hello. Hello, Santiwe. Oh, yeah. Go ahead, put out.
Hello, Santiwe. Domo.
Yoye. Mota na bini kwa ije oge ave a village get by village oge oyi oge city. Ije nogi osalobwa ori tinwe.
Ise.
Ude ga wiko na wa miena especially if we village ro wa gini we na azin asine. Iye na we mewe. Iye zo se bi iye zo so we ba we.
Village get go village.
Ka wa ite awaya damania and ekwe village no we gini we ege mana are village those days that time ma to bi ma je ki ma kinya ohi.
What to wa kinya kala.
Oh yeah, all we kia. Get put it now. Oh yeah, are we kia when we question we amu sitting we are yeki we o na meta ah ho. O na ihiamo. Udege beto we village no wa gini we are yeki aibo. O making us all boy. He or the red belly is even no get Siva.
The village girl.
Oh, Siva.
You want kick with down the village girl, what they go on a good record. I look at what oh, yeah, why don't they buy it? I look at brother, they buy it no village girl, spend him, mama. Oh, what surprising me?
Onwe village girl ni we gini na we water boy tie. Udege o my area. So
3.
Oh, I go marry Lani.
We are yeki we are yeki we we are yeki we Europa na ya mitu kuna na ni ati kodo no nia. Wo ye ole le we are yeki we no yeki na o ye no ye ru ekia. So when are you carrying away village we are a joy no ye. You can have imoto or bone, no matter the vagi, imoto no more different on ya. Different erosion, I will village or we black coming here. If we black away, we may be a yeah, that I mean a Muslim on ya. And here no father boy only nearly out of some stuff. So no I call us in there. Oh, yeah, well, like you were full, you except why I say, oh, because if no making where when I think our wall, to Tony, when our wall, not doing Jimmy, I tell you, oh, yeah, well, Sota.
If we village in one, we're Sota.
Yeah, we na when my manya black again, my wallow, my me so do I wall and ya, oh my god, wall where we want me no punya.
One. Yeah, you go no I walk away, help you. Come on, walk away, village. They not really say. Tamata Hono, where Areva, where Tamata.
Okara le ma bet o village ore na bet egemena le o kime wa be de nyon ge egemena o kime be ge ni be da tun ya ida sun ya zo se ejino
ogo village le so go kan we baba yi la ko pia no temata owo
hello mo me jere atọpẹ o
ise o
so ni veri ba le ma na ta baba ma de to mo mi ege mana wa de ma yesu igwe de grammar school na me ege ne de when I play the girl for we agboya fe wa e wo nya e o pe are de gbe bo kan
okay
mara so de na on we travel pari gwe we ade do o 3 months gbo o ha ge wa bo kan o kere on we no mara so de na so I mean ya je village girl na me re to we ke pa bo wi o ye ke pa bo we e to wa wi se boss driver mo fa ne to understand so
Nuguike, Betemata, de Nugueve Mievo, go vi good, Oga, de Numie, Daluga Numievo, Temata.
Mommy, Daluga no, how I get a gwen.
Tana, Daluga, I get a gwen, the Baluga no, time, Madame Yo.
Aluga no, mommy, when I go a village where una look, we make love. Why are you organ no return? A different work follow.
That was different than follow, explain them, Mama.
Webu ega mommy wera agwo village una agwo make love we agwa le oyi no agbejo e ore no re ta awawo o ko ra ya die I'm sorry to say anyway one so a village there o ma se no ma de yo go fa bo ka e mommy a we ta be gbe o awe ma so
Hello, where was Mama confused you? Hello, eh? He Ogeta, wow,
he was always he do it on the yard what you were. Village una date mommy, eh? Can you we have to go one home or also take it all, you know, like Javo? What a party, and I'm wallow in a bit of a genette. Okay, now me, Veto. What are here? How would we put the wool away? Because I 5 years, we have on you. I want to study now. So I mean, I give you oh, master. You know where go. You know, come on the finish. So how I have to take away the bottle directed to it. I want to study now. So I mean, I'll give you your master. You know, I have to buy your mom. That you will.
That you will. I'm not bad, yes, so no. Mary Totama. Hello. Hello, side to
3.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello, mommy, you're at top way.
He said,
oh, I see when mommy, I know you're now. Hello.
Is that me?
You only want their people that are why I go.
You go West.
In a way, all the village you got Taba, no cost another into Aba. A village boy. Here we go, my Yago, here you go, my Yago. Hello.
Village Mutane, a Piana village. Hello, if Piana village, keep me out of time, they're not here, say, Tanata.
A village boy, what it is.
A village boy, here, say,
oh, what it is. Where I have 12 village, when I have 12 village boy. Where you don't let me out and say, who don't let me out to go, let me out if you're here. Who don't let me out here, you say, while I'm family of Campani, I have Koyaga Kupe, and Koyaga Kupe. Where is Anna? Only the village boy, one man. They're getting the idea of where Lelo is here, the walking road, but friends, get friends, one Akina. In my year, while they may have to do ahead, or where I won't walk at Dorio Kawano. And when you have to say, well, go where we are going for, where I was snack, a family of Kaya. I will hold me, I won't walk at Doria, Doris. You see, I already have a fair, we are equal. I went and I was only way I went, so you are doing your
Well, I'm done now.
Oh.
Do me want to wa mo pa wi gwe. Won.
Ah, me da mo mo.
O wi gwe o se ayi gwe wa ke we bo ya mi wi gwe. Nu ba na kele ya mu ya be to ba to nu ba na ya won to wi gwe. Wa ya won to wi gwe wa si ayi gwe.
Eni ya gbera ne be tangula ge de teni ori eni se be teni ya pe eni ya fefe o gbera ni gwe kere na. Ani wa da ma ki gwere a wa ri gwo kere ya gbo ya fefe gwo gbo ya kere.
Ani na gwe ke le ri aga mutia. Hello mama, aga mutia ye ke ori ni eri wa eva ko mutia ye kari agun a.
Ani wa da ma ki gwere a gbo ya fefe wa ki gwere ki ma ore we bo na ke ya fefe o no ma ka ri gwe ero. Ugbe to ni aweri ave ne boyfriend agbo ya ri akun ago ku gbe igwe. E freedom wa ri gwe.
Okay, now, Okwe village, Okwe town, they no ruji no piase wo wodo.
Okwe village wa no.
Okwe village o ruji no piase. Okay, no ma bebe dogun a.
Okwe. Okay.
Hello, God bless you.
God bless you.
Hello. Ay, magwa.